Good morning everyone. So we are going from Noida to Bhimtal and टाइम जो भी हो रहा है वो हो रहा है अभी 8:13 एंड यहाँ से 7 घंटे की ड्राइव दिखा रहा है अप्रॉक्सीमेटली। वैसे जीपीएस जो दिखा रहा है लगभग 6.5 घंटे की ड्राइव दिखा रहा है, बट हॉल्ट करके चलेंगे बीच में। सो इट विल बी अराउंड 7 to 8 आवर्स ड्राइव, रिलैक्स होके जाएंगे। एंड वी आर गोइंग आफ्टर कोविड-19, सो इट विल बी अ वेरी गुड ट्रिप। एंड हम इसको बजट फ्रेंडली ट्रिप बना रहे हैं, जो एक छोटा सा हमारा ट्रिप है टू गेट फ्रेशन अप एंड टू रिलैक्स एंड स्टे। सो टाइम जो भी हो रहा है 8:15 हो रहा है सुबह का, एंड वी आर लीविंग फ्रॉम नोएडा। सो आगे वीडियो देखते रहिएगा, बहुत सारे एक्साइटमेंट्स हैं एंड बहुत सारा मज़ा करके दिखाएंगे आपको, एंजॉय दिखाएंगे। सो फ्रेंड्स, हम फाइनली रीच कर चुके हैं गजरोला, जो 100 किलोमीटर्स है फ्रॉम नोएडा। एंड हम यहाँ पे बर्गर किंग है एंड यहाँ पे सबवे है एंड दिस इज वाला। यहाँ पे हम लोग ब्रंच करने का प्लान कर रहे हैं। एंड यहाँ से जो भीमताल है इज़ अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 190 किलोमीटर्स। एंड ये बहुत अच्छी लोकेशन है जहाँ पे अपना ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच या डिनर कर सकते हैं। एंड यहाँ पे ड्राइव थ्रू की पॉसिबिलिटी भी है, तो आप बैठे बैठे गाड़ी में बैठे खाना का लंच, ब्रेकफास्ट, डिनर जो भी आप करना चाहें कर सकते हैं। वेरी नाइस एंड हाइजीनिक प्लेस। मैं आपको अंदर से दिखा देता हूँ। आप बच्चों के साथ यहाँ पे आ सकते हैं, बच्चे भी आपका रिलैक्स चिल कर सकते हैं थोड़े बहुत। This is the subway and this is the Burger King restaurant. Very nice and clean restaurant. So next we have done our breakfast and we will be heading to Bhimtal. So let's get started. And there is Domino's Pizza also. So अपनी फैमिली के साथ आप हैंग आउट चिल कर सकते हैं। So this is also very good place to explore. Hi friends, finally we have arrived our destination Bhimtal, and we have reached around 5 o'clock over here and we have left at 8:30 in the morning. So हम थोड़ा रिलैक्स करते करते ड्राइव पे आए हैं, एंजॉय करते हुए ड्राइव को। वी हैव a small daughter also, so we have drive very slowly and very carefully. So weather is very beautiful over here in Bhimtal and temperature is around 19 degrees Celsius and you can feel it's a very beautiful hotel, very economical hotel, and people are not here very much. Very limited hotel, लिमिटेड पीपल। हमारे होटल में ज़्यादा लोग नहीं हैं। बैडमिंटन कोर्ट over here, beautiful flowers you can see. This small sweet पीसफुल, आपको बर्ड्स की आवाज़ सुनने को मिल रही होगी। दिस इज स्वीट, यू कैन सी द प्लांटेशन, these are the creepers. ये हमारा होटल है, क्यूट सा, वैली फेसिंग। हमारा जो ट्रिप है, वी हैव प्लान फॉर 3 days फ्रॉम 1st October फॉर एंड टिल 4th October। एंड हमने थोड़ा सा बजट फ्रेंडली बनाया है इसको कि ज़्यादा अराउंड 20,000 रुपीज़ के आसपास रखा जाए, क्योंकि इसके बाद हमें एक और ट्रैवल प्लान कर रहे हैं। इसके बाद अराउंड दिसंबर में या जनवरी में न्यू ईयर्स का प्लान कर रहे हैं। सो वी वांट टू डू समथिंग बिग ओवर देयर। सो हमारा थोड़ा सा मन था कि कोविड चल रहा है तो थोड़ा छोटा सा गेट अवे हुआ जाए और थोड़ी मोनोटोनी को ब्रेक किया जाए। सो दिस इज़ इट, दिस इज़ द डे 1 एंड शाम को विल गो टू द कैफ़ेज़ एंड विल हैव अ गुड डिनर ओवर देयर। एंड बहुत अच्छे अच्छे क्यूट से यहाँ पे कैफ़ेज़ हैं, मैं आपको अपडेटेड रखूँगा वीडियोज़ में, तो आगे आप देखते रहिएगा। हेलो एवरीवन, सो टुडे वी आर एट नौ कुचिया ताल एंड we'll be doing paragliding from here. Beautiful view. Second day and temperatures around 26 degrees Celsius. Okay, now we are not wearing any jackets and all, but at night it is little cold, so you can wear little warm clothes. So let's get started for paragliding.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and right on time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, wait, I think I'll last a bit longer. Find another reason to breathe this air. And now we made for ourselves. This won't be the last time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist.
So this is day 2 after flying paragliding. Now we have reached to Nau Kuchiya Tal and this is the Nau Kuchiya Tal. Here you can do boating. Called Nau Kuchiya Tal because it have 9 corners. Very beautiful houses over there. And this is the Nau Kuchiya Tal, and after that we are going for a lunch. We are going to a very good restaurant called Yellow Dolphin. yellow dolphin. So very beautiful, cute restaurant. Peaceful. You can sit outside. This is the cute restaurant, beautiful restaurant. What a beautiful landscaping. Cute dog, Pomeranian. So now we are heading towards to lunch. So I'll keep updated you. So hi, good evening to everyone. So today is second night and we are at Bhimtal and we are at Bel Patra Cafe and Kitchen. It is in Bhimtal and their food is very awesome. You must try the Pahadi food and this is the inco menu. And the best part, it's very cute cafe. I'll show you. This is on the main road and it's open till 10 o'clock. So best part, there are some restaurants which close around 8 o'clock, so you have surprise. So this is very good property. You can park your cars over outside. It's very comfortable for family. And this is the entrance. Washrooms are very neat. Property is very well maintained, very good architecture. This is the parking area. Now I'll take you inside. This is the entrance. This is the outside area to sit down. Very good cafe. रात को ठंड हो गई है. We have to wear jackets at night. This sitting area. We have tried Kumao chicken curry. I'm a non-vegetarian. It's very good. You should try over here. And I have tried the soup. It's called paya soup, made from goat. It's very good for bones, and it keeps people a little bit hot and warmer in hill stations. So thanks for watching, and will keep updating you, and you should must visit this place. This is very good place to chill out with your family, friends. So good afternoon, friends. This is the third day and I am in Mukteshwar right now. It's a very pleasant afternoon and you can see the view of the mountains, terrace farming. See the view of Himalayas, mountains, gorgeous nature. Hope you're enjoying. He's my younger brother. Say hi. How are you feeling?
Good, but it's a bit cold outside here.
How's the experience?
Nice.
Yep.
Little bit terrified from the ride, but end result is really nice.
The drive,
Drive is awesome, sexy, superb.
liked it?
Yep.
It's adventurous.
Yes, it is.
Any more comments? Any suggestions?
Stay safe.
And
Stay
drive
at
safe.
home.
And drive safe. And it is cold right now over here, so you have to wear jackets and all. So
California, where it never rains. You and I were fighting and I needed space. Every day is sunny, oh that's what they say. Since I landed here, it's raining every day. You and I are stormy too. Wonder if I'm good for you. Are we ignoring the truth? You like to pull me apart. Do you love me? Do you not? Either way, you had me from the start. Maybe the rain will pass soon and leave us with a super blue. Baby, I know it's been a rough June. I hope we make it to our super blue. Drove into the desert to look at the stars. Wonder where we're going and where we are. Tell me why a flower, will he break my heart? Did we stop growing cause it got too hard? You and I are stormy too. Wonder if I'm good for you. Are we ignoring the truth? You like to pull me apart. Forget me, forget me not. Either way, you had me from the start.
So friends, we are in Mukteshwar right now and it's evening. Time is around 5:30 and it's very cold over here. आपको जैकेट्स वगैरह पहनने पड़ेंगे. यहाँ पे एक दो कैफ़ेज़ हैं जो आप ट्राई कर सकते हो, बहुत अच्छे, इतने खास नहीं कह सकते, छोटे छोटे मतलब लड़कों के साथ या फ्रेंड्स के साथ इट्स नॉट एन इशू, बट विथ फैमिली यू हैव टू बी little bit selective and it's too cold, so we are in Mukteshwar. एक कैफ़े है बहुत छोटा सा, क्यूट सा है, Royal Hill Cafe. We are having a coffee over here and having a sandwich. You can come have a drive and you can, they have pastries. This, they have muffins, sandwiches, pizzas, biscuits, and there is adjoining a Royal Mart. जो यहाँ पे लोकल लोग लोग शॉपिंग हाउस होल्ड चीज़ें शॉपिंग करते हैं. इट्स अ वेरी गुड क्वालिटी शॉपिंग मार्ट.
पापा के पास चलो ना.
ये रहा आ गया. ये है शॉपिंग मार्ट साथ में, बड़ा अच्छा है. यू कैन कम एंड ऑल्सो आइटम्स परचेज कर सकते हैं. बहुत ठंडा है और मज़ा आ रहा है. वी आर हैविंग अ कॉफ़ी एंड चाय ऑल्सो. चाय, इतनी ठंडी चाय. मैं डॉटर के साथ आया हूँ अपनी फैमिली के साथ. ये व्यू है. So friends, finally we have reached to Bhimtal and we are feeling very hungry and we want to have a very good dinner. So we have come to a I Heart Cafe. It's in Bhimtal. It's an Italian restaurant. If you are here, if you like, if you are a pizza lover, sandwich or burger lover, you should come to this place and visit this place. Beautiful property, beautiful location, and you will enjoy over here. So this is about the property. Cafe, very cool cafe. I love Himalayas. This is the outside seating area. You can have coffee, pizzas, burgers, sandwiches. Italian restaurant. Very good for friends, families. We are trying pizza over here and coffee. I Heart Cafe, 2011 established. I'll show you from inside now. And she's a naughty daughter. These are the cakes, pancakes, waffle, brownies. Clean washroom. Pizza is very famous over here. It's on the main road, on Bhimtal Road. This is the pancake with maple syrup and butter.
Ice cream के साथ.
So friends, we are at Bhimtal Lake. Scenic beauty, natural lake. This is the Bhimtal Chowk. Good afternoon, friends. Today is 4th day in Bhimtal, so we extended our one-day vacation. We planned to do rest and woke up late. We had breakfast at hotel and now we are having our lunch at this beautiful Bel Patra restaurant. Awesome food, Pahadi food, awesome chicken, mutton, dal makhani. Beautiful place. We sat over this outside in the green area. Neat and clean washroom area there is for family. This is perfect family restaurant at Bhimtal. You should must try this restaurant. Beautiful architecture of the restaurant. यहाँ पे बहुत लिमिटेड रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं अच्छे अगर आप फैमिली के लिए देख रहे हैं. एंड कैफ़ेज़ की अगर आप बात करें जो बेल पत्र रेस्टोरेंट है, it's more about Indian and Pahadi food over here you can enjoy. And if you are an Italian lover, pasta, pizzas and burger lover, तो बिल्कुल इसके adjoining एक रेस्टोरेंट है I Heart Cafe, so you can go over there also. So over there you can. आज का जो स्पेशल था वो था दही के कबाब. We had already tried it. You can sit at the first floor also and at the ground floor also. You can sit outside. Temperature is cold over here. We are wearing jacket. Beautiful weather, peaceful. और लोग बहुत कम हैं यहाँ पे. ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत टूरिस्ट यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं. I cannot say about the weekends because we came on the Sunday, तो इतना crowded नहीं है यहाँ पे. You can car park your car easily. So if you have liked our video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and please give it a like. And if you have any suggestions, you can comment us, and any query you can comment us.